Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fulfill orders on Shopify with DSers. Before we dive into the demonstration, please note that the link to Shopify and DSers is available in the description below. You can follow along by clicking on that link and signing into your Shopify account. So let's get started. First of all, log in to your Shopify account. Now, let's focus on installing your dropshipping supplier. On the left side of your Shopify dashboard, you'll see an option called Applications. Click on that and then navigate to either Apps and Sales Channel Settings or Recommended Apps, depending on what you prefer. Scroll down until you find the Shopify App Store. Once inside the App Store, click on the search bar at the top and type in dropshipping. You'll see a large number of applications appear. For this tutorial, I'm using DSers. But if it's not available in your country, don't worry. There are plenty of other free dropshipping suppliers you can choose from. Once you find DSers, click on it and then select Install Application. You'll need to grant DSers access to your Shopify store. After creating a free account with DSers, it will ask you how you want to get started. Your Shopify store should already appear linked in DSers, so there's nothing more you need to do. If, for some reason, you don't see it, you can go to Link to More Stores and manually connect your Shopify store. Now that your store is linked, you can start working with the Supplier Optimizer in DSers. This tool helps you find products on AliExpress at competitive prices. Open a new tab, head to the AliExpress website, and search for products you want to sell. Once you find a product, click on it, and then copy the URL from the address bar. Go back to the Supplier Optimizer in DSers and paste the product URL into the search bar. DSers will automatically search for and add the product to your import list. Before pushing the product to Shopify, you may want to edit its details, such as the title, organization, collection, and tags. You can adjust all of these in the import list. After making any changes, click Post to Shopify, and DSers will send the product to your Shopify store. Once the product has been successfully posted, go to your Shopify store and navigate to the Products section. You should see the newly added product there, along with the price. If the price seems too low, you can scroll down, find the price field, and adjust it to something more suitable. Don't forget to hit Save after making these changes. Next, let's talk about fulfilling orders. When a customer places an order, it will automatically show up in your DSers account under the Open Orders section. Now, when you receive an order, you can manually sync it via the DSers Chrome extension by going to Open Orders and selecting Sync via DSers Chrome extension. If you follow these steps, the order will be processed. Although the free version of DSers doesn't allow automatic fulfillment, you can manually fulfill orders without any additional cost. Once your order is synced, DSers will take care of importing the necessary information from your Shopify store and processing the order through AliExpress. That's how you complete the order fulfillment process using DSers with Shopify. If you want to try this method, feel free to use the link to Shopify and DSers provided in the description below.